Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. We're going to be making some curry powder today. So let's just take a look at the ingredients that I'm using. Now, just before I start, I'm going to put the amounts that I use in the text below, but you really can play around with this. You can just add the amounts that you like. So let's just take a look. So I've got some turmeric there, powdered, coriander seeds, which I like quite a lot of, some dried red chili, some cloves, and some lovely cinnamon there. I've got some FENUGREEK seeds here, CUMIN seeds there, FENNEL seeds, which is slightly unusual for most curry powder, but I really do love them in there, and some green cardamom pods. Now there are other things you could be putting in, like black cardamom or bay leaf and things like that. I really love this little mix. What we're going to do is we're going to, in a pan, a dry pan, just dry roast these just for a little bit, but not the powder, of course. We'll add that later. Then we're going to grind it. Beautiful. What I like to do as well is I like to make just small amounts, keep it really lovely and fresh. So here we go. We've got a dry pan. Anything will work, a saucepan, a frying pan, or a wok. Simply, we're just going to add in our seeds, coriander, fenugreek, cumin, the whole green cardamom, the fennel seeds, which, like I say, is a little bit unorthodox, but it's beautiful in there. And then we're going to add here the cinnamon, the cloves, and the dried chili. Now, on a medium heat, you just want to be tossing these around for about 4 to 5 minutes. Just when they start to smoke a little bit, then they're going to be ready to grind. So everything's in apart from the turmeric, which is right there. We'll add that when we're grinding. Okay, so we've got a few pops and crackles there, a little bit of smoke coming off them. Off goes the heat, and this part is done. What you're going to do now is just let that cool down for 5 or 6 minutes. Then we're going to grind it up, like I say, with the turmeric. Okay, so there's our spices. Now what I've done is I just took the nibs off the chilies, as you can see, and then I just broke them down a little bit just so they can go in the machine, and the same with the cinnamon. Let's get in our turmeric. Just give that a very rough mix. And then, like I say, as you can see here, I've got a little kind of grinding machine, a little coffee grinder. You can, you might have a sort of multi-chef or something that can do that. And we're simply going to just load this up, get it on, and then just run it through a sieve so it's nice and fine. Very, very, very easy. So you can see I've got something to catch it in there and a sieve here, and that's our first go. In it goes there, and then we're literally just going to pat that through. As you can see, we've got a lovely fine, beautiful curry powder at the bottom, and any bits that don't make it through the sieve are going to go back in the machine, as you can see, back into the whole spices there, and we've got a lovely powder there. Let me repeat the process, then we'll be done. Okay, and there you go. So I'll just run that through the machine a couple of times, got a nice fine powder, really beautiful. Now what you can do is stick that in an airtight container, and it will last about 2 months, but it does lose its power quite quickly. That's why I always make small amounts. 2 months probably max, airtight container or something. But for me, I mean, that will go in the next few days, in our kitchen. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Play around with it, get it how you like. Like I say, I'm going to leave the amounts below, but for sure, meddle with them. Get it just how you want it to be. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Curry powder love.